Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired cottage decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired cottage decoration is an interior design style that combines the cozy charm of traditional cottage with timeless vintage features. The goal is to create a home that feels warm, welcoming, lived in, and full of character, as if it has been lovingly decorated over many years. People love it for creates a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere, feels nostalgic and full of personality, works well in both small cottages and modern homes, encourages using thrifted, antique, and handmade items, making it both beautiful and sustainable. Vintage inspired cottage decor is perfect if you love homes that feel cozy, elegant, and filled with timeless charm, rather than following short-lived trends. A vintage inspired cottage is more than a decorating style. It is about creating a home that feels comforting, collected, and connected to the past. Every room should tell a story through carefully chosen furniture, heirloom style accessories, and natural materials. Layered textures for warmth. Instead of relying on fabric, combine several textures such as linen curtains, cotton slipcovers, crochet throws, quilted blankets, lace table runners, and open baskets. These layers make the space feel soft and inviting. Next, choose furniture with character. Look for pieces that appear well loved rather than brand new. Use distressed wooden tables, vintage cabinet with glass doors, painted dressers, rocking chairs, wooden benches, antique style bookshelves, and small imperfections add charm and authenticity. Decorate with meaningful accessories. Select decoration that feel personal, such as old family photographs, vintage clocks, ceramic pictures, brass candle holders, stuffed antique books, enamel containers, open baskets, and handmade pottery. Avoid overcrowding. Leave enough empty space so each piece stands out. Bring nature indoors. Nature is a key part of cottage style. It's fresh wildflowers in simple glass jars. Lavender or eucalyptus. Use potted herbs in the kitchen. Use dried flower arrangements. Use natural branches or greenery. These elements add life and freshness. Create cozy lighting. Use warm, gentle lighting instead of harsh, bright lights. Use table lamps with fabric shades. Also use wall sconces, candles, or LED candles, lantern-style lamps, and warm white light bulbs. Mix old with new. A vintage-inspired cottage does not need to be filled with antiques. Pair a modern sofa with an antique coffee table, or combine new curtains with vintage accessories. This keeps the home practical while preserving its nostalgic charm. Add handcrafted touches. Handmade decor gives the home a unique personality. Use crochet blankets and pillow covers, knitted cushions, embroidered napkins, handmade pottery, wooden sign, and tea advisories. These pieces make the space feel warm and personal. Focus on comfort. The most beautiful vintage cottage homes prioritize comfort over perfection. Use soft cushions, cozy blankets, comfortable seating, and welcoming spaces are more important than matching every item. The beauty of vintage-inspired cottage decorating comes from creating a home that feels personal, peaceful, timeless, and full of memories. For every piece has charm, and every room invites you to settle down and relax. Here are more practical tips to help you create an authentic vintage-inspired cottage home. First, decorate in layers. Start with large furniture, then gradually add rugs, curtains, cushions, lamps, books, and small decorative items. Layering creates a collected, lived-in look. Next, choose a soft color palette. Use calming colors like warm white, cream, swiss cream, dusty blue, soft gray, pale pink, and butter yellow. Keep bright, bold colors to a minimum. Mix wood finishes, don't worry if every wooden piece does not match. Combine light oak, medium pine, and darker reclaimed wood adds natural character. Display vintage collections group similar items together, such as teacups, glass bottles, ceramic pictures, old books, oven baskets, and candlesticks. Small collections often look more charming than scattered individual pieces. Add floral touches. Bring floral patterns into your home with curtains, cushion covers, quilts, wallpaper, tablecloths, fresh or dried flowers. Use natural fabrics. Choose materials like linen, cotton, wool, jute, and wicker. This gives your home a relaxed, timeless feel. Create cozy corners. Design a reading nook with a comfortable armchair, a small wooden side table, a warm lamp, a soft throw blanket, and a basket of books. Decorate with seasonal accents. Refresh your decor throughout the year. Spring, use wildflowers and pastel colors. For summer, use fresh greenery and light fabrics. For autumn, use pumpkins, dried leaves, and warm tones. For winter, pine branches, candles, and tulip blankets. Let imperfection shine. Vintage cottage style celebrate the sign of age, slightly on wood, aged metal, and gently faded fabrics add authenticity. Add pleasant natural scents. Create a welcoming atmosphere with lavender, vanilla, cinnamon, fresh herbs, beeswax candles, and dried flowers. Keep open shelves organized. Instead of feeding everything, display beautiful everyday items like white dishes, mugs, wooden cutting boards, and glass jars. Avoid overcrowding. Leave some empty space on shelves and tables. A few carefully chosen pieces often have a greater impact than filling every surface. Include handmade decor, crochet blankets, embroidered pillows, knitted baskets, and handcrafted pottery. Add warmth and individuality, perfect for a vintage cottage style. By focusing on comfort, natural materials, and meaningful vintage details, you can create a home that feels timeless, inviting, and full of personality. A vintage-inspired cottage is designed to feel as though it has evolved over generations. Rather than looking perfectly coordinated, it embraces the beauty of collected treasures, natural materials, and timeless craftsmanship. The result is a home that feels warm, personal, and effortlessly inviting. Design principles. Embrace collected, not decorated. Instead of buying a complete matching furniture sets, mix pieces from different periods, an antique cabinet, a farmhouse table, and a modern linen sofa can work beautifully together when they share similar colors and natural textures. Celebrate craftsmanship. Choose items that show handmade quality, such as hand-sewn pottery, crochet blankets, embroidered linens, open baskets, wooden furniture with visible grain, and handmade quilts. These details add authenticity and character. Create visual balance. Blend different materials throughout each room. Use wood for warmth, glass for brightness, metal for contrast, linen for softness, wicker for texture, ceramic for timeless charm. Using a mix of materials keeps the space interesting without feeling busy. Add architectural charm if possible. Include cottage-inspired features like beadboard or shiplap walls, exposed wooden beams, brick or stone fireplaces, open shelving, wooden ceiling beams, traditional panel doors. Even small additions like beadboard in a hallway can make a big difference. Choose timeless patterns. Patterns should feel soft and classic rather than bold. Good choices include small florals, gingham checks, thin stripes, botanical prints, and tile designs. These patterns pair well with solid colored fabrics for a balanced look. Decorate with meaningful objects. The best winter-inspired homes tells a story. The treasured items such as family heirlooms, vintage clocks, old ceramics, botanical artwork, ceramic vases, antique books, and framed pressed flowers. Items with personal meaning. Create a home that feels unique. Blend indoor and outdoor living. Cottage homes often connect naturally with a garden. Add window boxes filled with flowers, terracotta pots, herbs gardens, wicker pot furniture, rustic wooden benches, and climbing roses or effet. The touches make the home feel fresh and welcoming. Keep comfort at the center, no matter how beautiful the decor is. A winter-inspired cottage should always feel comfortable. Soft setting, cozy blankets, warm lighting, and inviting spaces encourage people to relax and enjoy the home. The true charm of winter-inspired cottage decorating comes from creating a space that reflects your personality, celebrates the beauty of the past, and feels cozy every day, not just for special occasions. Use the rule of three. When styling shelves, coffee tables, or mantels, group decorative objects in sets of three. For examples, use a vintage clock, a small vase of wildflowers, and a stack of old books. This creates a balanced and natural display. Add extra finishes. Choose finishes that look gently aged rather than shiny and new. Use distressed painted wood, East brush or antique bronze, matte black iron, or that oak and natural stone. This finishes gives your home a sense of history. Decorate every room thoughtfully. Each room can include cottage-inspired touches. First, living room. Use floral cushions, knit or crochet throws, wooden coffee table, vintage lamps, and open baskets for storage. Next, kitchen. Use open wooden shelves, white ceramic dishes, glass storage jars, copper pots, linen tea towels. For bedroom, use layered quilts, soft linen bedding, antique bedside table, lace curtains, and fresh flowers. For bathrooms, use wicker baskets, wooden tools, white towels, glass soap dispensers, and small potted plants. Mix textures and a change of colors. A vintage cottage often feels interesting because of its textures: smooth ceramics, rough wood, soft linen, chunky knit, woven wicker, and delicate lace. Even a neutral color palette feels rich when different textures are combined. Keep decorations practical. Many decorative items should also be useful. Baskets for blankets, wooden trays for serving, ceramic pitchers as flower vases, window crates for storage, glass jars for pantry ingredients. Beauty and function go hand in hand. Choose timeless artwork. Instead of modern abstract art, try botanical illustrations, landscape paintings, pressed flowers in frames, and vintage-style maps. The speeches enhance the nostalgic atmosphere. Create a cozy atmosphere. A vintage-inspired cottage is designed to engage the senses. Soft and firm lighting, gentle floral or vanilla scents, comfortable sitting, natural fabrics, quiet, uncluttered spaces. The goal is to make every room feel calm and inviting. Invest in quality over quantity. Rather than filling your home with many inexpensive decorations, choose a few well-made pieces that truly you love. Over time, this creates a home with depth, personality, and lasting charm. The sense of vintage-inspired cottage decorating is not perfection. It is creating a home that feels authentic, peaceful, and full of memories, where every object has a purpose and every room invites you to slow down and enjoy everyday life. Tell a story with every room. Instead of decorating around a trend, decorate around a feeling. Each room should have a focal point that tells a story, such as an antique rocking chair passed down through generations, a vintage wooden cabinet filled with family treasures, a handmade quilt tucked over a sofa, a collection of old books displayed on open shelves. When your decor has meaning, the home feels more personal and inviting. The secret to a timeless cottage, a truly beautiful vintage-inspired cottage, is not created in a single shopping trip. It grows slowly over time by adding meaningful pieces, handmade items, antique finds, and natural elements. This gradual approach gives the home warmth, authenticity, and a sense of history that never goes out of style. The goal is simple: create a home that feels peaceful, welcoming, and filled with character, where every room is comfortable, every detail has purpose, and every guest feels instantly at home. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.